Welcome to Chemistry Studio. Today's topic is IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compounds. First point to remember is cation is always named first. Followed by anion. Second rule is while writing the name of complex of counterion, we do not mention its number. Next point, while writing the name of complex, ligands are named first. Next point, number of ligands is given by Greek prefix like di, tri, tetra, etc. Name of the ligands are written in alphabetical order. Next point, after the name of the ligands, we write name of metal. Name of metal. The point to remember is if complex is cation or neutral, then we write ordinary name of metal. But if complex is anion, then we add 8 in the name of metal. In the name of metal. Next point, if prefix like di, tri, tetra, etc. are already in the name of ligands. Then their number is given by bis, tris, etc. Name of the metal is followed by its oxidation state in Roman numerals within parentheses. So we need to follow all these rules for writing the name of the coordination compound. For example, the given coordination compound is CO NH3 whole 6 Cl3. So in this coordination compound, this complex is cation and the counter ion is anion. While writing the name of the complex, we write the name of the ligand first. So 6-amine, it means hexaamine. We will leave no space while writing the name of the complex, hexaamine. Now complex is cation, then we will use ordinary name of the metal, that is cobalt. The name of the metal is followed by its oxidation number. We will find it. And leaving a space, we will write the name of the counter ion, chloride. क्लोराइड 3 है, we will not mention it. काउंटर आयन में सिर्फ आप क्लोराइड ही लिखेंगे. Now we need to find the oxidation number of cobalt. Let cobalt be X. Amine has 0 charge into 6 plus minus 1 chloride into 3 is equal to 0. So X will come out to be plus 3. It means third. Hexaamine, cobalt, third, chloride. Next example, K4 Fe Cn whole 6. For K it is potassium. सिर्फ पोटेशियम हम लिखेंगे. We will not mention the number. Leaving a space, we will write name of the ligand. 6 hexa cyanido. Now name of the metal. The counter ion is cation and complex is anion. If complex is anion, then we add 8 in the name of the metal, therefore it is ferrate, followed by oxidation number. Find the oxidation number of Fe. Let potassium is plus 1 into 4 plus FeX, cyanide minus 1 into 6 is equal to 0. So X will come out to be plus 2. Second, potassium hexacyanoferrate second. Next is Li, lithium. Leaving space, char, tetra, H hydrido. Aluminium, complex is anion, counter ion cation, complex is anion, therefore it is aluminate. Oxidation number, lithium plus 1 plus aluminium X plus hydride minus 1 into 4 is equal to 0. So X will come out to be plus 3, therefore third. So all in all, what we have to do is first write the name of counter ion, then number of ligands, then name of ligand, then name of metal, then oxidation number, then if complex is an cation, then counter ion will be anion, counter ion, या तो काउंटर आयन पहले होगा या बाद में होगा। एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं इसका। NiCO4, देयर इज नो काउंटर आयन, काउंटर आयन नहीं है, लिगेंड से शुरू करेंगे। 4 के लिए टेट्रा, CO कार्बोनाइल, निकेल। ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, निकेल को X मानते हैं, कार्बोनाइल 0, X will come out to be 0, 0. Again, now this complex is cation and counter ion is anion. First we need to write the name of the ligand in alphabetical order. This is amine A, chloride C, nitrito N. तो A पहले आएगा, टेट्रा, अमाइन, क्लोराइडो, nitrito O, nitrito O. Now name of the मेटल, कैटायन है तो ऑर्डिनरी नेम कोबाल्ट, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, लिविंग स्पेस, क्लोराइड। क्लोराइड अंदर है तो क्लोराइडो और क्लोराइड बाहर है तो क्लोराइड। ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट आप निकाल लोगे, 0, -1 -1 -1 विल बी 3। मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, CrEn whole thrice, Cl3. Now the ligand, the name of this ligand is ethane 1,2-diamine, 3 times ethane 1,2-diamine, और ये 3 बार लगा हुआ है, तो इसके नाम में ऑलरेडी डाई आ रहा है, इसके नाम में ऑलरेडी डाई आ रहा है, तो इसका नंबर बताने के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे ट्रेस, ट्रेस इथेन 1,2-diamine। नेम ऑफ द मेटल क्रोमियम, फॉलोड बाय ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, देन क्लोराइड। ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर En न्यूट्रल होता है 0, Cl -1 -3 will be equal to +3। थर्ड, ट्रेस इथेन 1,2-diamine, chromium 3rd, chloride। This is complex ion, this is anion, this is aqua A, oxalato O, तो डाई एक्वा, डाई ऑक्सलेटो, कोबाल्टेट, कोबाल्टेट, कोबाल्टेट 8 क्यों लगाया, क्योंकि ये एनायन है। कोबाल्टेट, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, कोबाल्ट को X लिया, वाटर 0 × 2, ऑक्सलेट पे -2 × 2 इज इक्वल टू टोटल चार्ज दैट इज -1, X विल कम आउट टू बी +3। थर्ड, नेक्स्ट इज OH whole 4. सोडियम नंबर नहीं लिखेंगे, स्पेस OH हाइड्रोक्सो 4 हैं तो टेट्रा हाइड्रोक्सो for zinc. This is cation, this is anion. We will add 8 in the name of metal. Tetrahydroxo zincate. Now find the oxidation number. Sodium plus 1 into 2 plus X minus 1 into 4 is equal to 0. X will come out to be plus 2. Tetrahydroxo zincate second. CO PPH3 whole thrice SO4 NO2 and Br. PPH3 phenyl triphenylphosphine sulfate nitrite to N ब्रोमाइडो. तो अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ब्रोमाइडो नाइट्राइटो एन ट्राइफेनाइलफॉस्फीन. ट्राई ऑलरेडी इसके नाम में आ रहा है तो ये 3 बार लगाया तो देयरफॉर ट्रेस. Now name of the metal cobalt. Oxidation number cobalt X triphenylphosphine 0 sulfate minus 2 nitrito minus 1 bromide minus 1. So this is 4th. Next is C2O4 whole thrice. This C2O4 is oxalate ion. तो potassium oxalate 3 times है tri oxalato. This is cation, this is an ion, therefore ferrate. Oxidation number 1 into 3 plus X minus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. X will come out to be 3. Third. Next is NH3 whole twice CS3 NH2 and SCN. Cl2 Cl3 platinum. This is amine, this is methane amine thiocyanato. तो फर्स्ट डायमाइन मिथेन अमाइन thiocyanato platinum. Oxidation state chloride. Oxidation state, this is 0, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 1 into 3 will come out to be 4. Now the next concept for this is writing the formulas by the given name of the compound, like tetraamine, diaqua, cobalt third chloride. So this is tetraamine diaqua cobalt. Cobalt, tetraamine, diaqua, and then chloride. We need to find the charge on this complex. We know that chloride has -1. Now find X. Cobalt is third, so therefore cobalt plus 3. X is equal to cobalt is plus 3, amine 0 into 4 plus aqua 0 into 2. Therefore X comes out to be 3. It means X is equal to 3. You will write 3 over here and 1 over here. The complex thus becomes CO NH3 whole 4 H2O twice 1 and Cl3. This is how we write the formula of the complex. Again, taking another example, potassium tetra cyano nickelate second. Potassium K square bracket nickelate Ni tetracyano Cn whole 4. Potassium plus 1 we know and power X. Now find the value of X. Nickel is second, so therefore plus 2. Cyanide -1 into 4 is equal to X. The X comes out to be -2. Therefore X is equal to -2. Write this -2 over here and 1 here. It becomes K2 Ni Cn whole 4. Another example, trace ethane 1,2-diamine 1,2-diamine chromium third chloride. Chromium Cr. Trace ethane 1,2-diamine 3 times En. Then chloride. Chloride is -1. Its power is X. Now find the value of X. Chromium is 3. So plus 3. En 0 into 3 is equal to X. So X will come out to be plus 3. It means X is 3. So write 3 over here and 1 here. It becomes Cr En whole thrice Cl3. I hope it is clear to all. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.